We're out in the wild. Me and Scott are here. We have come upon some wild cranes.
I'm gonna go catch one.
It's very dangerous approaching these cranes.
It's important that you catch it from behind.
Do you see? They're just mocking us. Any second, they could come upon us and kill us.
They get especially feisty with their mates.
As you can see, they're about to have a session to try to make a baby. So, now's the perfect time to catch them while they're distracted. Go, Scottie!
I'm going for the kill.
Yes! Take out of here! They're starting an attack! Get out! Get out of there! Scottie! No! No! Scottie has been forever lost. Oh my god. You going fishing?
Are you recording this?
Yes.
I'm gonna do something extraordinary.
Okay.
Why are we talking with crappy Australian accents?
I don't know. This is really dumb.
Where's fish? Wait, be careful, be careful. Don't put your phone over the water. Unless you're stupid. And you're doing
This is actually pretty tight. Oh yeah, we're using our new Pure gear today. Very useful stuff.
Did you say queer gear?
Sheer gear. Yeah. That's the name of the thing.
Look, minnow.
Catch that minnow, Scottie. Teach him who's boss. Did you catch the minnow? Did you catch anything? No. A whole group of brim. They're attacking the bread.
Yeah.
If I say catfish.
Right there.
Shut up.
We're gonna shut up for a minute. See if Scottie can actually catch a fish. Right there, Scottie.
It needs to be
Don't
closer.
be stupid.
It needs to be closer.
I understand. Holy crap. Scottie's got a big one.
We got a big one?
It got loose. Oh,
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Have the, okay, get off the thing, Reed. Have the net ready, Grant. Oh, this is the one we've been trying to catch this whole time. Catch it! Pull it! Pull it!
Got it!
We caught this really nice catfish. And this is the one we've been trying to catch for a long time because of this thing. The little
Dude, how are we gonna get it? If you try to hold it by its mouth, it'll bite you.
Yeah.
Kobe caught one. I'll caught one. It's a baby one.
also caught a baby brim.
Dude, you can use that as bait.
Yeah,
if
for
you can.
catfish.
Here we have signs of dead birds. Looks like some sort of predator attacked a bird here. Many, many, many feathers, which makes it very likely for there to be a predator out in these woods. Here Scottie is looking for the rare and exotic grasshopper. As you can see, he is searching for the grasshopper using his net, which is very unreasonable, but it still works. Technically. So hopefully, if he can find a grasshopper, you will be satisfied with your life. Because right now, Scottie's lifetime goal is to catch a grasshopper. Aye, Scottie?
Aye.
Be back in a short while. Aye, it's Grant here. We've been out here for maybe 10 hours. Scottie is still determined to find the frickin' stupid grasshopper. You know what? It was tragic. Scottie died of thirst looking for that dang grasshopper. It's a good one. We're back, Scottie and I. I'm about to release the bait. You ready, Scottie? Oh, he's taking a piss. We'll be right back. Gabby and Josh have
Epic music.
Troll.